Have you ever told yourself that you will start practicing English tomorrow, but tomorrow never came? Have you ever felt ready to learn, but you did not know how to begin or what to do first? If you have experienced this, then you are in the right place. Welcome to Word Journey. Today, we're going to talk about how to start English practice in a simple, easy, and clear way. You do not need big plans. You do not need perfect grammar. You only need small steps that you can begin today. So stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll feel ready to start your English practice right now. Main content. 1. Starting is the hardest part. Many learners want to improve their English, but they feel confused or unsure about how to begin. They think they must study for hours, learn difficult grammar, or buy expensive books. But the truth is simple. The hardest part is starting. Once you take the first step, the next steps become easier. You do not need to wait for the perfect day or the perfect moment. You can start with something small today. 2. Use simple materials. You do not need complicated textbooks to practice English. You can start with simple things. You can watch short English videos, listen to easy stories, or read simple articles. When you use easy materials, you feel relaxed and learning becomes fun. Simple English helps your brain understand faster and remember better. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to practice. 3. Practice a little every day. You do not need long study hours. You only need a few minutes every day. Even 10 minutes can help you improve. When you practice every day, your brain stays connected to English. You begin to remember words faster. You start to understand sentences better. Daily practice builds strong habits. It makes English part of your daily life. That is how real progress happens. 4. Speak simple sentences. To start English practice, speak simple sentences. You do not need big vocabulary. Simple sentences help you build confidence. You can say things like, I am eating breakfast, or I am going to work now, or I feel happy today. These sentences may look small, but they are powerful. They help your brain think in English. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. 5. Listen as much as you can. Listening is one of the best ways to start practicing English. When you listen, you learn new words, new sounds, and natural expressions. You can listen to English while doing other things. You can listen while cleaning, walking, cooking, or relaxing. You do not need full attention. Even background listening helps your brain get used to English sounds. This makes speaking easier later. 6. Make English part of your daily life. If you want to start English practice, make English part of your day. You can change your phone settings to English. You can watch your favorite show with English subtitles. You can read small English messages or short posts. When English becomes part of your daily routine, you learn without pressure. Learning becomes natural. 7. Do not fear mistakes. Many people do not start English practice because they are afraid of mistakes. They worry about grammar. They worry about sounding wrong. But mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. When you make mistakes, you learn faster. Do not let fear stop you. Speak even if you are unsure. Practice even if you feel slow. The important thing is to try. 8. Set a small goal. One simple way to start is to set a small goal. Your goal can be very easy. It can be, I will practice English for 5 minutes today, or I will learn 3 new words, or I will speak 1 simple sentence. When your goal is small, you do not feel pressure. You feel motivated. Small goals lead to big progress. 9. Start with what you already know. You do not need to learn everything from the beginning. Start with the English you already know. Use the words and sentences you remember. Build from there. When you use what you know, you gain confidence. Confidence helps you continue practicing every day. 10. Enjoy the journey. Learning English should not feel heavy or stressful. It should feel enjoyable. Choose the activities you like. If you enjoy listening, then listen. If you enjoy speaking, then speak. If you enjoy reading, then read. When you enjoy the journey, you will practice more and you will improve faster. Conclusion. Thank you for watching today's video on Word Journey. I hope this lesson helped you understand that starting English practice is simple. You do not need a perfect plan. You only need small steps, easy habits, and a little courage. If you begin today, you will see progress sooner than you think. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps the channel grow and allows more people to learn English with confidence. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.